Hi, this is Brent with Kansas Hydrographics. We're back with pattern review of the week. Alright, let's go take a look. We call this Aliens. It is 50 centimeters wide. It is a black and transparent print. There's a lot of detail in this film. The artwork's pretty detailed. We're going to be dipping on a white speed shape, white base coat, using our Hydrographics activator. And at the current moment, you can only get this through us. We have taken the cancer-causing chemical out of the activator to give it more of a green outlook. We are looking into getting some UK distributors for our Hydrographics. We're working on that now. Alright, that is Aliens. Turn this around. You can purchase this at KansasHydrographics.com. Come check us out at the forum too, k2forums.com. There's a lot of professionals on there, been doing this a long time, and give you guys a hand if you're having problems. Or you can email us at orders@KansasHydrographics.com. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next week.